Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So huge shout out to Livestock for making this video happen and sponsoring this tournament that we are joining. So we're playing System 36 here in Hollow Ridge. So if you want to know more about Livestock, yan dito. Yan. Okay. Then this tournament will be System 36 here in Hollow Ridge. We're starting the tournament sa hole number 4. Sa silver tees ang mga men, ta senior sa white. So this round playing with friends, si Alvin, fellow content creator, si Gio, first time namin mag-meet in person pero magkaibigan na kami. Welcome to the channel, brother. And si Fred. Ayan. So magkakaroon na lang din kami ng friendly wager. So we're playing stroke play. Tapos tsaka mag-ollie din tayo, 10 pesos per point. Okay ka, Gio? Stroke play tayo, start ka 20 under.
Oh, pwede.
Si Fred, start 16 under ka. 14 under ka. Ako start 7 under. Parang gano'n, parang stroke play pero we're playing our handicap. Tapos 10 pesos kami Olympics per point. Tumawad ka pa na isa.
Magaling yung DJ, sandbagger yun.
Uy, stop bleeding. Alright, tapos ang aming mga caddy, ang aking caddy, si Ate Janet. Oh, ready na. Wait lang, bini-introduce pa kita. Oh, no number mo ate para pwede ka nilang hanapin. 228. Si Flor, si Ate Flor, saan ka ate?
Ay, Sir Alvin.
Sir Alvin. Oh, mamaya na si 259, mukhang kay Gio. And yan kay Fred. Si 159. Ganda, good draw.
I shot.
Most accurate kagad.
Oo nga. I shot.
Good shot, brother.
Yun. Big right. Bana.
Yun, sir, bumaba.
Safe yan.
Konti lang.
Mababa sa fairway.
Nervous. Okay, Fred, second shot. 300 yards pa siguro to for his second shot. Ganda. Good shot, Fred. Okay. Good shot, brother. Alright. Second shot. Sayang. May chance sana sa longest drive kaso nasa rough. I'm left with 180 yards. Flyer lie. Aim right of the pin. 7 iron. Ako hindi ko mahaliwa.
Masok.
Ay, nakasobra na naman. Laki ng gulong. Pero against the wind, 180. Fred, third shot. He's left with around 100 yards. Stop! Magulong. And matalbog. Okay, Gio. Fourth shot to go up and down for bogey. Bite. Ay, nabitin lang. Patong yata. Last sa mga laki ng tinalbog. 60. Mamaya pala sabihin ko. Prefer ako ate lagi 60 around the green. Okay. Sana mailabas ko to. 25 yards to the flag. Kahit dito mo na lang ang video ate. Okay. To go up and down for bogey. Ganun din. Sana nag-drop na lang ako. Right to left. Mabilis ano?
Ako.
Ano ba Luigi? So, Fred for 5 points from the outside. Gio is in for double. Si Alvin is putting for 3 points. Fred is for 2. Ako for 1. Uy! Ano ka, Vin? Triple din? Okay, Fred putting for double bogey and for 2 points. Uy. 7. So ako for double bogey and 1 point. That was a very terrible start. Double bogey. So I'm currently 5 under. Si Alvin made. So double kami ni Gio. 7 si Fred. Si Alvin. 7 rin ba? 7 rin ano? Okay.
Okay yung...
Okay, hole number 5, which is our second hole. It's playing 187 yards. So, slightly against the wind. Ganda! Beauty! Ay, bunker. Ayun, umangat! Umangat. Ganda. Hindi nga 20 to.
Hindi ako naniniwala.
Hindi ko naniniwalang 20 to. Bunker. Alright, before.
Okay.
Ano?
Ay, kaliwa. Kaliwa.
Ay, nangin din. Bunker yata.
Ay, over. Wow, nice.
Nice shot. So I'm on the left side. Kami dalawa ni Fred left. Si Alvin and Gio nasa right. Okay, since umuulan yesterday, preferred lie kami. And local rules din yata. Very unfortunate kay Gio. Ang hirap ng kanyang pwesto. Difficult stance. This is to go up and down for par. Good out, Gio. Good out, Fred. Left of the fairway. Ganda. Good try, Fred. Okay, ako naman, short and left. Left with 29 yards to the flag. Left to right. Isang club sa kaliwa. So,
Yes.
lagpas lang nung linya puti.
Opo. Nice shot.
Potentially for par and 4 points dapat. Kanan, ano? Ala, ano nangyari sa chipping ko?
Mabalik yan mamaya.
Okay, so for Olympics, Gio potted for 4 points. I'm potting for 3 and bogey. Si Fred is potting for par and 2. Alvin for 1 point. Ako for bogey na. Ganda! Kuha! 2 points! Oh. Good try, brother. Good putt. Nice putt. 1 point. Alright. 2 holes. 4 over ako. Parang meron akong chipping yips. Okay. Hole number 6. Par 5. 471 yards. So, dalawang jabong. Pero tuyo yata ito parehas ngayon. Good shot.
Nice shot.
Na-sandbag nga yata tayo.
Oo. Sabi ko na eh. Nice shot! Baba na. Tama na.
Nice shot.
Shot.
Nice shot.
Wow.
Nice shot. Wala.
Nice shot.
Okay, very unfortunate. Umabot yung bola ko sa jabong, di namin makita. So this is playing 3. Left with 210 yards to the pin, downwind. So I'm hitting a 6 iron. So parehas kami ni Alvin, needed to take a drop. At least nakapulot ng bola. Kaliwa lang. Ayun, safe yata.
Over. Safe.
To go up and down for par. Right to left 17 yards to the flag. Fast green. Need to carry sa may fringe lang.
Stop.
Okay, I think I know what happened. Okay, Gio, to go up and down for par as well. Bite. For par to G, no? For par. Okay, Alvin. Potentially for 5 points. This is for his par to go up and down for bogey. Ganda, Vin. Ay, nag-bite sa free, sa rough. Good try, brother. Okay, Fred. To go up and down for, I think, par. Ano for bogey pala. Bite. Settle. Settle. Tama na. Olympian! Olympia! Sakto sa gitna. Okay, Fred. Potentially for 5 points and for par.
Lakas ng mga pots ko. Napipitik
Napitik.
yata.
So, Olympics, 4 points si Gio for par. Alvin, 3 points and for bogey. Ako, 2 points and par. Si Fred for 1 point and bogey. Reach! Pakimark, Gio, pakimark. Uy, lakas lang. Mahina. Kulang sa first.
Ay.
Okay, Fred for bogey. Good putt. 1 point. Tama? Okay, Olympics. 1 point ako, si Alvin at saka si Fred. Everyone made bogey. Alvin double. Hole number 7. 335 yards. Dog leg left. So the play is to aim over that bunker. Sa left side. Ako, ubi.
Nice shot.
Yan. Cut pa. Cut pa. Ay, safe yan. Sa bunker. Linya ng bunker, sorry. Good, brother. Ganda, Ganda, Vin. Okay. Uy, sobra. Uy, lakas. Good investment.
Shot.
Ay, baba na.
Ay.
Good muligan. Uy,
Tap.
Uy.
Uy. Anak.
malakas naman ang gulong.
Right. So second shot, need to take my medicine 65 yards front of the green. So punching out lang. Subok ko ipalusot dito. Ate.
Ah, nice out. Vin. Kaliwa lang. Apo. Tapos lang.
Bilis talaga. Okay, matalbog. Went left. Punch draw na hindi sadya. Okay, ready go off lang. So Fred spotting for birdie and 4 points. Mahina. Ako 3 points and birdie, so plus 1. Si Gio 2 points. Gio ano ka? Putting par? Putting par. Okay, Alvin to go up and down for double bogey. Ganda, Vin. May tinamaan for 1 point.
Birdie. Ah.
Okay, Gio for par and 2 points. Go! Reach! Di umabot. Fred for par. Uy! Okay, Alvin for 2 points. Ay, 1 pala, sorry. 1 and double. Naku, na-push!
Nice par.
Okay, hole number 8. 347 yards. Dog leg left. Ganda, Gio. Ganda ng draw. Ganda yun, brother. Ganda, Fred. Beauty. Nice shot. Biyak. Okay lang. And over the bunker.
Wow. Kick left. Wow,
Wow.
grabe.
Walang.
Wow, grabe.
Okay.
Nice shot.
Grabe, nice shot.
Bad break for Alvin. Nasa may lip siya ng bunker for a second shot. Good out! Good out, Vin! Okay, second shot. Left with 110 yards. With the wind. With the wind, di ba? Cross. Ay, nag-against.
Shot. It's on. Ay,
Sobra pa rin.
sobra. 16 na nga yun eh.
Nag-carry sa likod ng green. Okay, happy na rin tayo dyan for birdie. Okay, Alvin. To go up and down for... Ay, go! Olympian! Hindi na lang. Up and down for bogey. So that's his bogey putt. So si Fred. This is to go up and down for par. Si Gio is putting for birdie. Ganda! Pasok! Muntik pa! Okay, so Gio putting for 4 points and birdie. So potentially for 5. Tapos ako 3 plus 1 for birdie if ever. Si Alvin 2 and bogey. Si Fred is putting for 1 and par. Ang lakas na pitik. Okay, for birdie, left to right. 10 paces minus 1. Doon na sa linyang puti ate na?
Apa sir? Yung unang puti.
Uy, ang bilis!
Bilis yun.
Halos sa isa talaga. Okay, Alvin for bogey. 2 points, baby! Nice spot. 2 points. Nice spot, nice bogey. Lakas naman ulit. Napitik ulit. Par. Lakas din. Yun, good putt. Good. B2B? Sayang. B2B. Nasaan Fred? Okay, everyone made bogey. Si Alvin nakakuha ng points. So, it is now 3-1-1. Tapos wala pa si Gio. Alright, hole number 9. 508 yards. Against the wind. Currently, 1 under na lang. Ay, with the wind. Ay, come on. Ganda. Good shot, Fred. Good shot. Hindi. Sa tagal nung akin, ganda ng draw. Good investment. Sino makakuha yan magpa-fit eh?
Ah, talaga ba?
Bumili siya ng bagong driver. Pinahirap niya. Binenta niya sa akin.
Shot!
Piercing. Wow.
Oh,
Dayo.
tayo.
What a monster drive by Alvin. Pero ganda pa si Hollow Ridge. Mga 300 yards. Nice shot, Vin. Good investment. Thank you, Golf Depot. I'll try to play smart. Subok lang with an iron para hopefully I'll make it a 3-shot hole tapos nasa fairway.
Ay. Boy!
Okay, went right. Hinangin. So may area ng cart path. Just landed right. 40 yards. Wind is left to right. So aim at the left of the pin. Better short. 40 yards. Lakas pa rin. Hinangin.
Look.
Right.
Down.
Lakas yung hangin.
Oo nga. With the wind.
Oo, tinangay. Tirang 30 lang rin. Okay, malakas pa rin talaga yung hangin. Went over. Hirap ng downhill putt. 5 points. points! Ah! Oh, 5 points! 5 points, Fred! So this is for 4 points. Alvin, 2 ka. Ay, sorry, 3 pala ako. 3, 2, 1 si Gio. Nakairit pa. Uy, bumali sa dulo.
Wow, nice pass.
Yun! Nasa iyo ang beat. Nice one, brother. Right, so for Olympics, Fred is now at 6 points. Tapos followed by Alvin with 3. Tas 1 kami dalawa ni Gio. Ganun kahirap yung greens. Ganyan kababa. Tapos,
Sinundang kita.
ha? Tapos ang stroke play namin ay made par. Parehas kami ni Fred. Si Alvin, alam mo, ano?
Ay,
Tanungin ko na lang mamaya. Tapos 7 si ano. Triple pala. Triple si Gio. Start na kami ng aming second 9, hole number 10. 374 yards. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm still 6 over. Yan. So the play here is to aim a little left. Okay lang dito, it's down.
wow.
Good investment! Baba na. Nice one. Ganda, back tee.
Ganda.
Bali, ang tee.
Ganda.
Nice shot! Ganda.
Uy, pababa. Ganda pa no?
Ay, sige.
Shot. Very good.
Nice shot.
Okay, Alvin, monster drive. Inside 140, 150 yards. To go up and down for birdie. Heavy. Okay, second shot. Left with 117 yards to the flag. With the wind hitting a 60-degree wedge. Naku, heavy din. Sa ilalim.
Ay,
Nice shot.
Ano ba yun? Sayang yung drive. Terrible second shot. Na behind ko. 40 yards to the flag. Left to right. Si Alvin mga 70 yards to the flag. Good drive in. Okay, ako naman, tirang 30, 40 yards to the flag, left, right. Sa loob lang ng linyang puti.
kahit dolo.
Labas pa na.
Apo. Yan. Tap.
Oo nga, no? Left to right, ano?
Ah.
Parang gumigewang eh. Nag right to left, tapos nag left to right. Okay, putting for par. Nice shot, Fred. Good out. Nice shot. Alright, so Gio for Olympics. Putting par, G. 4 points si Gio. Tapos si Alvin, putting par din, no? Alvin. For 3 points. Tapos si Fred is 2 plus 1, Sandy par. Sandy par ka ba? So 2 plus 1 if ever. Ako 1 for par. Mahina lang. Go! Reach! Mahina. Pixie Fred. That's good, that's good.
Ay. Grabe, kalata.
Nice putt, Vin. Okay, so very unfortunate. May double bogey. Grabe na 3-putt ko pa yun. Okay, bawi. Tapos everyone else made bogey. Ako double. Tapos sa Olympics, no movement. Wala movement tayo sa Oli, no? Okay. Headed to hole 11. Hole 11, 376. For right? Hangin lang. yan, bumalik. Okay lang. Fairway. Maganda pa rin, oo. Behind lang. Pero malayo.
Four!
Or! Ay, naglag. Hazard.
Okay, Gio. Second shot. Ganda ng drive. Pulled mine. I aimed left kasi anticipating yung wind na pala. Pa-right. Na-pull ko naman. Okay, this is playing around 180 downwind. Sobrang talbog. Hopefully, good decision to na hit an 8 iron.
Nice shot. Oh. Ah, shot.
Okay, to go up and down for bogey. Right to left, it's 40 yards. Tira mga 25 lang daw.
Yan, gulong. Yan, nice. Okay.
Okay,
Anda.
1 point. Okay, par. Hi, bogey.
Uy, grabe naman.
Okay, bogey. Thank you.
So, ang layo pala ng akin.
Okay, bogey.
Over pala.
Shot mo ba yan? Third? Okay, so up and down for par. Si Alvin. Pasok! Good try, Vin. Okay, Gio putting for par. Most likely 3-point siya. Okay, so 1 point nga ako. Alvin is putting for bogey. Wala na siyang points. Ang may chance na nandito si Fred. Mahina, brother! Yun naman! Naka na may that's my boy panalo eh, look. No, okay. Okay, hole number 12. Playing 142 yards with the wind. Gagawa kami ng content for Gio. Ay! Ganda, Vin.
Bunker pa rin. Wow! Mana?
Ay, bangka.
Best score naman yung sa atin, no?
Safe.
Wow! Wow, kilala ko na. Ang big winner.
Uy,
Oh,
bunker din.
binigyan ng challenge.
Okay.
Good, thank you.
Hey, Gio. On the bunker. Ay, right at daan pala. Green. Mukhang mahirap nga eh. Okay, Alvin. Ganda, Vin. Ang ganda niyan, brother. Good shot. Okay, ako 20 yards. Hirap ng lie.
Nice out. Wala, mahirap talaga.
Go up and down for bogey. Right to left. Right to left ate, no?
Nice,
Nice.
Bowing-bowie
Tap.
naman.
In for 1 point. Bogey. Okay, so Gio for par. And for 4 points. Tapos si Fred is 3. Si Alvin is 2. Everyone for par. Ako yung in for bogey and 1 point. Big. Mukhang carry. Ganun din! O G, shoot mo para lahat tayo. Okay, tayong tatlo. Okay, bogey lahat. Alright, hole number 13. So everyone made bogey. Tapos sa Olympics no movement. So si Fred is still leading.
Nag-ano yung hangin bigla.
sila siya na magsusulat. Yung kasi left with 250 yards. Needed to take a drop. Hitting a 3 wood. Bahala na. Willing to donate. Dito. Okay. Ate.
Nice. On. Wow. Ganda. Ayan, before.
Parang before the green. Alright, for my fourth pala, to go up and down for par. 40 yards right to left. Si Gio is just behind me. Mga 80 yards to the flag. GUR. Okay.
Wow. Uy. Sobra.
Galing naman nung kick right, nakikinig. Nice shot, Fred. Okay, Alvin. To go up and down for, I think, maybe par. Ano na bola? Okay lang. So for 2 points yan. Vin. Okay, so for putting Olympics, I'm putting for par and 4 points. Si Gio, putting bogey and 3. Alvin for par and 2 points. Si Fred. Fred, putting par ka rin and 1 point. Minus, ano speed natin ate?
In. Wow. Nice par. Ah. Okay.
Pero bilis pa rin. Alam mo, ginawa ko gis lang yun.
Ah.
Nice read ate. Ganun din! Ganun din! Nice one, brother. Good bogey. 3 points. Uy, sayang. Good drive in. Tumalun eh. Tumalun eh. Okay, hole number 14. 364 yards. Hindi ko nakita yun. Hindi ko na na-video ang tira ni Gio. Good investment. Good shot, brother. Nag-bleed right. Pero playable naman yan, basta mahanap.
Yun no? Grabe. Drive. Nice shot, Grant! Tanggal nga pala yun. Outdated.
Okay, that was a good drive. 80 yards to the flag. Downwind. So tirang mga 70. Left to right. Hopefully maiwang kong short.
Wow. Lapit. Okay. Okay. Lapit.
Okay, hopefully at most par sana. Okay, Fred, left side. Okay, Gio, right off the green. Wanted to leave it short, but not that short. I mean mine, ha? I wanted to leave a putt na uphill, pero not that short naman. Okay, Alvin. This is to go up and down for par, potentially for 5 points. Ganda! Pasok! Bilis. Sobrang naman, hindi ka nung kabagal. Okay, that was for 4 points, wala na. So si Fred is for 3 points and for par. Gio is bogey and 2. Si Alvin 1 point and par. Ganda ng putt. Good par, brother. 1 point. Ay, 3. Okay, Gio. Ay, nakabig. Okay, lakas lang. 170. Tumira na si Alvin at saka si... Tumira na si Alvin at saka si Fred. Side bet dito from 3 holes. Uy, sobra!
Ay! Ito, sobra. Wow! Darts! All in one.
Ot. Ot.
Wow! Nice shot. Nice shot.
Gio went over. Ay, sumabit. Okay. Tapos, lahat kami outside of the green. Everyone has chance for 6 points. Si Alvin went left of the green. Fred right of the green. Ako short of the green. Anong tingin mo dyan, Alvin? Ganda! Nice one, Vin! Mark mo na lang para sa points. Ganda, G! Okay, for the new drop! Come on, Fred, for the new drop! Oh! Okay. Okay na yun, 4 points, 4. Oh, 2 ka pa. Eh baka maipasok ko pa to. 3 ka pa.
Wow!
In.
Kung ako, 3 ka. 3 ako.
Ayan pa.
Hindi ako.
Ayun na yun.
Malayo ako.
Malayo ka.
3 ako. Thank you. 3. Pero to, 1 na si ano, Fred. Okay lang. Si Gio na lang.
Nice, nice one. Ganda lang yung ganda ng
Kaya sabi ko, chip mo na lang hybrid yung ganun eh. So 4, this is for 4 and bogey. Ay, napaka-big. That's good, G. Hole number 16, 315 yards.
5 points lang.
Total.
Total.
Okay, 5 points total. Tapos, hindi rin hinangin pa kaliwa. Oh. Pero okay lang yan. Good angle yan, brother. Okay, come on. Good drive. Left with 60 yards. Left to right, tirang mga 50 lang.
One shot.
Ako, okay. 30 yards, left to right. Ay, nako. Okay, for far, layo. Okay, Gio. To go up and down. Potentially for 5 points. Ah, sila dalawa ni Fred magkatabi. Bite. Good shot, G. Okay. Si Alvin naman is spotting already. For birdie ba yan? Okay, Alvin for birdie. So 4 plus 1. Pasok! Sayang, tumatalon lang. Good par, brother. Ganda, Fred. Okay, so for Olympics, tapos na. Si Alvin may potted na for his birdie. He made par. Si Gio spotting for par, 3 points. Ako 2 points and par. Si Fred, 1 point and par as well. Magaling pag may video, ay!
In. Nice par.
Fred for par also, and 1 point. Nice putt, good par. Gagaling mag-putt ah. Good putt ba?
Thank you.
Hole 17, 363. I can let it rip. Saving my mulligan for hole 18. Makikita nyo mamaya bakit. Ganda. Naku, nag-bleed right. Safe yan? Safe yan? Sumabit nga. Oh.
Wow! Left.
Wala ko nakita. Ayun.
Safe yan.
Got it.
Wow!
Great investment.
Oy,
Yun, ganda, brother.
Layo nun.
Nasa Riviera na. Okay, second shot. Oo. 2 points. Left with 120 yards. Patong mo naman to, Luigi.
Wow, nice one. Okay, one pot lang kami doon.
Beat, nasa iyo. Ang beat, nasa iyo. 120 ako. Okay, come on. Chance for birdie naman, please. Gio. Pick up and now. Good try, G. Alvin. Potentially for 6 points pala to for birdie from the outside. Ganda, Vin! Slap, tama na. Huwag ka na mag-Olympics. So, Fred is for 4 points. Tapos si Alvin is putting for 3 and 4. Tapos ako 2 and plus 1 for birdie. That's good, that's good. Tapos ako 2 plus 1 birdie. Si Gio is putting for 1 point and for bogey. Ganda! Okay. So kung ako makashoot, ako yung 3 points.
Ayan.
Ay, lumaylay! Sayang, best chance for birdie. Only chance na putting for birdie ko, hindi ko pa na-shoot. Kulang. Short. Dapat never short yung mga ganun. Well, anyway, 476 yards. And this is why. Yeah. Dog leg right. You can't pull. You can't slice. Kailangan dito talaga. Alright, let's see. Ganda! Okay, safe na safe, brother. I'll take that any day of the week. Okay lang yan. Naku! Too much, too much.
Hindi kailangan.
Oo, kailangan yun.
Naku, nag-bleed. So, subok lang course management. Make it a 3-shot hole. Hitting a 9 iron. Dito.
Ano?
Okay lang.
Yan. Yan.
Thank you very much. By Gio, the DOD, King of the Philippines. DOD with it. Ay, kulang sa kaliwa. Yan, safe. Parang sa may tree line bumaba. Sama talaga ng kondisyon. Lambot nung ano eh. Fairway, kitang-kita mo. Okay, left with 130 yards against the wind to go up and down potentially for birdie. Come on, Luigi.
Sabi.
Pulled it left of the green. Everyone's still outside. Fred, over. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung kani-kanino yan. This is a short. Ako pulled left.
It. Ay,
Wow, sobrang bilis pala
ang bilis yan.
To go up and down for bogey. Okay, inside the white line. Nice shot! Kalukuhan!
Ay, bagay.
Okay, so nagpapat nila sila for Olympics. I'm still from the outside. Bogey for potentially 5 points. Plus 1 na ate, mabagal.
Opo.
Si Fred pa muna. Bagal naman. That's good, that's good.
Thank you.
Wala nang points yan, ano? Galing pat yan, eh.
One point.
13 over niya. Sa points din, 13. Nice spot, Vin. 364 yards. Taas lang.
Nice shot.
Wow.
Nice
wow,
shot.
grabe. Tinakyan niya pa yung hangin. Oh.
Oh, enjoy. Kanan lang. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung step 1 yung susunod. Ay, nag-lead right lang. Very unlucky. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari. Pumunta ako sa kabilang butas. Okay, pitching wedge lang. Punching out mga 100 yard.
Nice out.
80 yards to the flag. Right to left. Tama ba? O left to right yan? Ito, tira 70. Pero left to right yan. So pwedeng diretso lang. Kasi yung hangin. Sobrang naman hangin yan.
Oh, diba?
19 yards left to right. Mabilis.
Ay,
Okay, bogey.
ano yun?
Okay, 1 point. Bogey. Nako! Double bogey pala! Pinapataas ni Gio Lalos ko. Triple na. Pick up na, pick up. Yan. Okay, so Fred putting for 4 points. Si Alvin is 3. Si Gio for 2. Pasok! Galing naman ng 4 points na yun! Mahirap magpababa. Well, mag-average kasi talaga. Oh, that's good, that's good. Kasi yung best 8 mo lang. Ayun, lakas. Okay, hole number 2. Last 2 holes. So, Olympics. Fred made another 4 points. Grabe lang yan. Okay. Tapos I made 1. Oh, par si Fred. Nice shot, brother. Si Gio. Ganda ng cut. Go! Good shot, Fred.
Wow.
Wow!
Tiger line. Bang! Wow.
Good investment.
Nice drive. Grabe. Grabe. Oh.
Layo. Good investment na.
Kami nung Sunday, siya yung ako nag-carry sa amin sa first night, siya nag-carry sa amin sa second night.
Ayos. Go up, go up. Up, up, up. Kick right.
Kick right. Kick sa bunker. Okay. Second shot, 160. Uphill against the wind. Better short than long dito. Right. Okay, ganyan kalaki. Okay, ate. Right to left. Lakas!
Ano? Okay lang yun, sir. Oh, ha?
Layo naman.
Tingnan lang.
Hirap ng putt na yan. Pero okay lang, may buhangin. Baka hindi na ganun kabilis. Naku, hirap ng par putt. So, Olympics, Fred is putting for par and for 4 points. Si Gio is putting for 3 and par. Tapos si Alvin is bogey and 2 points ito. Tapos ako par and 1 point. Parang basketball ah. Ang daming tinalbog. Talon ng talon. Ganda ng roll.
Nice par.
Last hole. Hole number 3. Grabe conditions. Ang hirap ng Hollow Ridge ngayon. Very challenging. Okay. Let's see. Hole number 3. Alright, hole number 3. Last hole. 130 yards. Kami, last hole namin. Wow. Mapagbigay itong kaibigan natin. Sa amin niya gustong maibigay yung ano. Ay, sobra.
Wow. Okay lang, maganda yung
Ganda. Ay, hinangin pa kanan. Magkadikit kami. Ganda tsaka Srixon Z-Star.
Wow.
Si Alvin din, naka-fit din to eh. Pro V1 yan. Pro V1 naman yung fit niya.
Bakit? Anong...
Ano to ate? Left, right, right to left? Maliit lang ano? May isang cup pa ba yun? Hanap na natin.
Gitna ng circle. Mga kalahating grip. Kanan. In!
Ano? Ano nga ako bro?
Ay sorry, yung double natin. 4 ano? Ay! Okay. Okay, Alvin for 3.
Maganda yan.
Pasok! 3 points! Ay, hindi bumali. Good putt, Vin. Dakayo! Kami na lang ni Fred ang may chance.
This is for you.
Naka naman, okay ka. Yay, kami dalawa lang ni Fred.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Alvin, thank you. Thank you. Oo. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oo nga pala, Ate Lani, thank you.
Sir, papirma muna.
Ate Flor, thank you.
Thank you po.
Ate Janet, thank you. Ayan, kadi ko si Ate Janet. Hirap ng conditions nyo ngayon sa Hollow Ridge. I may not have won the tournament, pero I won the grand prize sa raffle. Yay! Thank you, KNG. Yay! Nice shot.